Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired, it's very rare, it's the Volvo V60 2-litre D4 R-Design. It's literally just arrived, just thought we'd get it videoed and marketed. It's in gleaming black metallic. It's got the privacy glass, it's got rear park distance control, twin exhausts, full R-Design body styling kit. It's literally only just had a wash off, it still looks amazing. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the R-Design half leather Alcantara trim. Auto headlights, it's done 109,881 miles. Cruise control, this is the SAT navigation model. With the full media pack, we've got 3-stage heated seats as well. Get the nav up for you as well so you can see all that's working. It's got a USB and an aux, climate control, I think I mentioned cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, media pack, Bluetooth as well. Car drives absolutely lovely. Will just be serviced, just be MOT'd at DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.